Hi, folks. Sean from Arrowhead here. I have been thinking a lot lately about artificial intelligence, AI, and what its implications for leadership might be in the future. I have a lot of friends who are in the AI sector and especially working on projects right now that are designed to help leaders connect more effectively with their people and help them manage their workforce and their organizations more effectively. And it's remarkable what AI is now able to do. Really, there are very few activities of a leader that AI, as it continues to scale, as it continues to be more open and ubiquitous, that AI won't be able to either profoundly enable or replace in terms of the outright replace in terms of the activities of the leader day to day, whether that's checking in on employees, providing resources to help them through certain situations, enabling more effective communication, you name it. There are any number of activities of leadership that AI is increasingly either enabling, supporting, or in fact replacing in the day-to-day work of the leaders. When you strip away all of the activities that can be enabled or replaced, all of the activities of a leader that can be enabled or replaced by AI or by technology, you really are left with three core domains of the leader. The first of those domains is presence. Technology can bring solutions to a host of challenges that our people encounter in their day-to-day work. But only the leader can bring presence. Only the leader can bring solidarity. Only the leader can bring authenticity. Only the leader can bring empathy. Only the leader can bring accountability to support our people as they move through whatever challenge they encounter. Technology can help our people be more effective, be more productive, to stay on task. But only the leader can point our people to their higher purpose, to their cause, to things spiritual, eternal, or transcendent. Technology can monitor the well-being of our people and deliver assistance, but only the leader can bring the passion, the emotion, the care to even begin to manifest those supports in the first place. It's easy to get concerned about the advent of this new era of AI and technological innovation that seems in many cases to be replacing a lot of the work that we do, including the work that we do as leaders. It's easy to be wondering, well, what is this going to mean to me as a leader at the end of the day? But the reality is that there are those three domains that will never go away for the leader. Those are the core areas of focus that we will continue to require as humans from our leaders. The qualities of presence, of purpose, and of passion. Those are the areas that we as leaders need to be investing in right now in ourselves in order to ensure that we continue to provide those essential qualities to our people and our organizations as we move forward through this new and remarkable era of technological innovation.